Hi everyone, Joe here. A while back, late last year, sadly a neighbor passed away, and he was the neighborhood Santa Claus. I'd never had the good fortune of meeting him, but I was driving to the arcade and I saw a bunch of stuff being taken to the street out of a garage, and I stopped to say hello, see what was going on, and they told me the story that he passed away, and the widow wanted all the stuff dumped, wanted the garage cleaned, and the guy that was cleaning out let me take some stuff. There's a toolbox, some shelves and things. They're all going in the garbage. So I took some stuff because there's some tools that I thought I could use, and I grabbed the toolbox, but I didn't dig through the toolbox until yesterday. This has been 6 months, 7 months now. I was looking for some nails. I was having the air conditioner replaced, and they needed to take the fence down, so we're looking for some nails, and I went to this toolbox, and I got a peek at what's in there, but I didn't dig too deep, so I want to show you what was in there. Maybe you find it interesting. I love doing this type of thing. I love finding stuff, digging through stuff, to treasure hunting. Anyway, I open the garage door here and take a look. This is the toolbox. That's the gentleman's name. And I got a peek at what's in here. A couple of cool, interesting things. Some nice tools. And then this is going to give me the opportunity to dig through it and throw stuff away too that I'm not going to use, or is obsolete, or is just trash, like that cap there. Anyway, so I was looking for some nails and I didn't see any up top, just wanted to grab a handful, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, and then I went in here and saw some really nice stuff. See, I don't even know what that is, but I'm sure it's useful, and if not to me, to somebody. My brother does a lot of woodwork and construction, contractor work. So I found this piggy bank, which is quite possibly, I don't think it's his. I think he was older than being born in 1957, but this is a piggy bank. I had one very much like this when I was a kid, and when my townhome got burglarized, they broke it and took the change that was in it. But there's money in here, and I'm wondering if it is old like that, 1957. I think it would be great to find some silver quarters, which mine were stolen at that time my townhome was broken into. Anyway, so I got this. We're going to open that bank, and I am not a gun owner, but these were in here. This is a full case of, I guess they're shotgun shells. Again, I'm not a gun owner. I don't know what kind these are. I'm going to look them up and see if they have any. They look old, and I don't know if bullets go bad, but I'm going to look those up. But that's a full carton. Got a hammer, that thing. See, again, I don't know what that is, but it could be very useful. Clippers. All this stuff is useful. Let me switch hands here. I guess I cut it off, so I gotta merge these two videos. I don't know what these are, but I'm sure they're useful to somebody. Give them to my brother. Another solo thing. Oh, this is cool. This was all going into the garbage. Another hammer. wood drill bits. That's cool. Sponge, throw that out. Let's see, get rid of this stuff like this. It's plastic. This old tape. Keep stuff like that. I could certainly use that. Hopefully that's the right size for the pinball machine legs. Ooh, hollow punch set. I think I could use that. Hooks. Not sure what this is. It's plastic. Well, I was hoping for something more exciting after the bullets, because I did discover the bullets yesterday, and then I stopped digging because I thought it would be fun to dig with you guys. But yeah, I want to get rid of the stuff like this pin. More pins. What's that? What is that? Oh, it's probably a business card holder. I don't know what that is. It's garbage. I think it's empty. Pencil. Spoon? I could wash that. I wonder if spoons have any value. Delco, Lexington. I don't know. That'd be cool if that was like an antique spoon. That looks like all the exciting stuff here. I was hoping for something a little more exciting, but the bullets were kind of cool. Anything secret under the carpet there? Nope. And oh, let me get rid of that. It's for a closet dowel. That could be useful for the bicycle. Bungee cord is, well, there's got to be another hook in there, so that'll be useful. Let's look up here. Well, that's going to be brass, I believe. Get rid of the battery. The string's going to go, whatever that is. Zip ties. What is that? I guess it's a thickness measure? Yeah, that's got to be. Get rid of that stuff. Okay, we're done here. Barbecue news, got some toothpicks. Yeah. Okay, turning the camera around. All right, guys, thank you for watching this and going on a little treasure hunt with me. All right, I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Well, I'm back. And I realized I forgot to open the bank. We're going to open this. So let me turn the camera around, grab a screwdriver, see if I can do this. How am I going to do this without dropping the phone? Put it on the ground here. You know what? I noticed the pig had a missing leg. If I can find that leg, I'm going to put it back in the pig and keep this pig intact. You ready? I need to set the phone down somehow. Let me try this. Well, put all the coins back in it. It's not old money. Oh, well, there's a Franco, 1957, España. Let me put all this back and then we'll look at it together. Okay, so you saw me open this. And get that out of the way. So there is a $2 bill here, and it's probably going to be backwards for you. And this bill is 1976. That's fun because I saved $2 bills. And the coins, not a lot here. We've got 1984, 1975, so that's going to be a copper penny. I do separate my copper pennies. 1991, 1989, nickels, 1993. This here's the Franco. Oh, Francisco Franco, 1957. España. I don't know what kind of money this is, but it's 5 PTAS. You see that? Probably not. It looks like the focus is on me. $91, $94 penny, $94 penny, $84 quarter, $83 quarter, $1978 penny, so that's copper, $74 dime, $91 penny, $71 nickel, $94 penny, $79 quarter, $90 quarter, $93 quarter, $90 quarter. Here's another foreign coin. Oh, what is that? $81 quarter. So no old money except for that PTAS. And this is a 1978 República de San Marino. FAO. You see that? Maybe if I... So there's that coin. And the $2 bill. And that other coin. Okay. Still, I enjoy this. Now, do I want to take the time and look up the mints of these coins? Just in case. I don't think there's anything special here. But yeah, that was fun. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to look up the bullets on eBay and come back in here and add one more piece to this video. Okay? 1 second. Well, a quick search on eBay didn't yield anything, so I'll have to do a little more research there. But you want to see them? Oh boy, from that angle, I look like I'm really going bald. So it's a full carton. I noticed on eBay the boxes were collectible. People were buying empty boxes, but here you go. Full carton. I'll take that inside, keep it safe. Alright, there you go. I am done with this one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.